All right, guys. Well, just got a new box from PolarPro. Gotta check it out. Have an idea what it is. And as you can see, got a couple things laid out here on the table. Pretty excited about this one. Yes. Okay. So, as you can see, this is the all-new PolarPro Cube. If you are familiar with any of the PolarPro gear, this falls right in line with some of their other bags. But this is a 5-pack filter case. So it's exactly what it says. It is a filter holder. Nothing super crazy or sexy, but if you're someone like me and you carry a bunch of filters, it's super exciting because anytime you're out in the field and you have a ton of filters, chances are when you open your bag, they just fall out. Instead of carrying something like this, which has been handy, but has its limitations. This is the older Peter McKinnon filter case, which is not bad, but the problem with this is you can only hold 4 filters at a time. And in fact, if you see actually right here, let's see if I can hold it up. This one was actually ripping over time. This can only hold 4 filters, really. It's like a little wallet. It's got these 4 sleeves, and then it doesn't really expand. It's not really made for these maglock filters because these are a little bit bigger. So over time, in and out of this, you can see it's kind of ripping. Wow, it just actually ripped more on me just right now. So to have something like this, it's a little bit more robust, and this actually matches the Roadrunner series. But to just have this and be able to pull this in and out of your bag is a lot more useful. So as you can see, it fits these really nicely. So that's 4 of the maglock filters. But actually, these are the new, I'll hold these up. These are the new series of filters that PolarPro has been sending out and selling. And these are this is the center split, which I just did a review on. So this is obviously a lot bigger as a mag filter. And because of the way that the glass is, there's no protection on the outside or the inside. So you have to carry it in this more traditional type of filter pouch. And then to go even further, something like this, which is the Prism. This is the warp filter, the Prism warp filter. And this is the Helix mag. And this thing is really big, so you can see it sticks out quite a bit. So to be able to put this in here and know that it's safe is pretty awesome. And the cool thing about this is, I'm just realizing this, that there's a little handle on each side. So you can throw a carabiner hook on any direction. And because it's a cube, it doesn't really matter what direction you throw it into your case. It's going to be, it'll fit in your case because it's a perfect cube, which is awesome. And I love the zippers that are, they're super strong nylon, and then they have the rubber tip on the end, so they're not going to fray over time. Double zipper, which is awesome. And then it's really robust. It's got the rubber on the bottom, and it matches, grab the other bags, and it matches the Roadrunner series, which is awesome. So you got the shoulder bag, got the backpack, and then you got the little 1-liter sling. So now you've got the filter case to match. So super cool. All right, guys, that's a quick rundown on the PolarPro Cube. It is available on their website now. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Peace.